Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 12 and this is a midweek update. It is Wednesday, the markets are now closed, so we'll do an update on the portfolio. But before we do, I just wanted to thank everybody that is following along and subscribing. We've had the channel is growing the last few days, which is great to see. So welcome to all the new subscribers. If you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. What I'm doing is I'm taking a small YouTube channel revenue. My challenge is to grow that revenue up in my tax-free savings account at Wealthsimple Trade to $100,000. So we've been going for about 3 months now. We're going to be doing the next deposit. If you want to check out my video from last month's earnings, you can check that out. That is on the channel. We're going to be doing that deposit. It should be cleared by tomorrow, so we'll be able to start investing in the portfolio. And what we're doing is we're doing a mostly Canadian dividend fund portfolio, trying to grow to $100,000. So let's jump right into the portfolio. This is our TFSA portfolio. We're logged in. It is midweek, so it is Wednesday, and we are up a little. Well, it says 0%, but $2.26, which I think is pretty good for the way the markets have been going this week. Nothing very spectacular happening, but so I think we're good to be kind of flat for today. So for our return for the day, 226. So our grand total is up to 24.40.58. We will be doing a deposit for just under $700. That will get deposited tomorrow. Now we haven't added any in the position, but let's check out how things are doing. And some of these actually have been doing. I'm actually quite happy with the results. So Brookfield Renewable Partners, BEP.UN. This one's I'm going to add this one, another purchase this one tomorrow. It is up 2.54%, so pretty happy with that. We have 5 shares. We are up $5.95, and we also get the regular dividends coming in for that. Those ones will get paid quarterly. Cineplex, this one still is doing well. So if you've been following on the channel, we've been up and down a little bit, but obviously up. We're up 17.4% on Cineplex. It has been coming down the last little couple days, but I think we're still up. So we're up $34.30 on in the portfolio with 15 shares. Greenlane Renewables, this one has been up and down. This is our growth stock. This is kind of our long-term investment play on the account. We are up, we're down actually, and this one we're down 5.75%, about $20. We're down all-time return. We were actually up late last week. We were up in the positive on this one, but we're back down. So a bit of fluctuation here. RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This is our real estate investment here, and we are up 10.49%. So this one has been a good return on that. Now we'll go into TransAlta Renewables. This one's been doing quite well the last couple weeks. This is one to possibly check out. We'll be adding more to this. They paid regular dividends monthly as well, so we should be due for a dividend on that next month. $21.94. We're up in the portfolio with 12 shares, 9.16%, which is pretty good. And if you've been watching the channel, Solar Alliance Energy, this is a solar power, not a solar power company, but a solar installation company out of the States. And with this one, this was actually down by quite a bit, but we've gained in the last day about 10%. So hopefully this will continue on for the end of the week. We might actually be into the green. We are down though. We are down 7.38%. $3.83 altogether. So it's been nice to see that one kind of rise today. That was a bit of a surprise. And then we have the Slate Office Real Estate Trust. This is another REIT stock that we own, and this one's been doing pretty good too. We're up 1.13%. This one is fairly steady right now at that price. We'll be purchasing more of this one. They do pay monthly dividends as well. And then the Telus was our last stock purchase, and we'll be adding more to Telus as well. It is up 1.45%, 2.80, another dividend stock, Canadian telecom company. And then the all standby, this is VDY. This is the Canadian High Dividend Yield Index. This is the ETF. We are up 4.44% for a total of 25.59. So we're doing quite well. I'm quite happy with the portfolio. So we were up a little bit last day, as you see, but if we go to the week, on the week we are up 1%, so pretty good for the start of the week, 24.48, which is nice to see. Most of those gains are kind of coming from our Solar Alliance Energy. That's where they've been picking up, and also from Brookfield Renewables. So on the month, we are up 1%. Now we've been going for 3 months, so we are 5%, $117.03. So now we'll go into, because we've been going for just over 3 months, we are going to start to see some difference with the 1 year. We're obviously, it's just a little bit there, 117.85. So that will be our all-time as well. So pretty good, 5% return so far. We've been going since April 1st on the TFSA, just doing this small deposit. So it is starting to grow. We're starting to see the dividends come in. We'll have some more dividends coming this month as well, which we will add and keep in the account and buy more stocks. So that's a midweek update for the TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio. Come back tomorrow. We'll be doing the deposit and we will purchase some more stocks to use those funds up. But also just a reminder before we take off here, there is a video I posted yesterday. If you've been following the channel, you would have saw it. But if you're not following along, you want to check out the Wealthsimple trade. Sorry, not the Wealthsimple trade app, the Wealthsimple Cash app. They've updated this app, but with that update, what I noticed is they've actually starting to give away. If you download this app and sign up for Wealthsimple Cash, they are giving you, I'll leave the link down in the description, they are giving you $25. They will also give me $25, so it's a win-win. We've had a couple of people actually already sign up through the link, so I appreciate it. If you're watching this, thank you for signing up. We will start to add that funds to this account as well. So if you aren't using that Cash app, it's worth it just to get the $25, take the money, transfer it into your savings and your TFSA yourself to start building your portfolio. 25 bucks is 25 bucks. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you in the next video.